Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Smorgasbord Kitchen. To celebrate Cinco de Mayo, we'll be making flan-filled churro bites, which I call churro fried flan. To make the flan mixture, we'll start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl and whisking them. Then adding one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Once we've whisked this thoroughly, we'll get a 9-inch loaf pan, which we'll coat with non-stick cooking spray or oil. We'll pour the flan mixture into this. To keep our flan from getting too hot as it bakes and ruining its texture, we'll fill a large pan with hot water. Into an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll first place the pan of water, into which we'll place the flan. We'll bake the flan for about 60 minutes. Once the flan is done, a toothpick inserted into it should come out clean. We'll pull the flan out of the oven and let it cool to room temperature. Once the flan is cool, we'll invert it onto a cutting board. Now you may have to run a spatula around the edge of the flan to loosen it before doing this. We'll cut the flan into bite-sized pieces, which will freeze for about 2 hours or until solid. For the churro batter, we'll combine 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll add 1 to 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, which we'll whisk in a bit at a time to prevent clumping. The exact amount will vary, but you are looking for a batter consistency similar to that of pancakes. For the cinnamon sugar coating, we'll combine 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. As we will be frying these in hot oil, please be extremely careful, and if you're not comfortable working with hot oil, please ask someone who is to assist you. To fry our flan, we'll fill a pot with 2 to 3 inches of oil, which will heat to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. With a fork, we'll dip the frozen flan into the churro batter. Then carefully drop it into the oil. We'll fry these for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are a nice golden color. And then coat them with the cinnamon sugar. I can advise you from experience that you should let them cool for at least a few minutes before enjoying, as the flan filling can be quite hot immediately after frying. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks, and see you next time.